Hi lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you're my old and returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for all your love, support, your encouragement. Like, I'm not taking it for granted. I love you guys so much from my heart. And if you are just coming across my videos for the first time, hi, my name is Vivian Aros, the founder of Living Organic Skincare. Guys, I'm here to say happy new year to you guys. Happy new year to you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas. Hope you had fun, and happy prosperous new year to my amazing fans, my family here. I love you. What is your new year resolution? What goals have you set up for yourself this year? I literally don't know what to say, but I really want to appreciate each and every one of you. Trust me, I want to appreciate you all. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your amazing patronage. Thank you for keeping up with your baby girl throughout the year 2022, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. Like, I'm not taking any of your love for granted. I love you guys from my heart. I love you guys. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I can't really thank you guys enough. Like, seriously, I wish I'm able to see all my amazing fans, all my customers, all my subscribers, all my customers. Thank you so much, guys. I wish I can see each and every one of you and give you guys a good, lovely hug. Okay, thank you. I love you guys so much. Okay, so guys, we're back here again. We are here again, 2023. What is your plan for this year? What is your plan for 2023? Are you still want to sit back and watch yourself waste all your time throughout this year 2023? So you have to tell yourself, you have to sit up, you have to tell yourself, you have to strategize, you have to advise yourself, you have to know the things you did wrong the year 2022. You need to know the things you did wrong, and then tell yourself, this year I have to do more better in those areas that you didn't perform well. Okay, nobody is perfect, but I literally always tell people that you didn't get it right at the first place doesn't mean that you don't know what you're doing. Okay, there is no harm in trying over and over again. Okay, so the more you try, the more experience you become. So that is the secret of, even when you fail, don't give up. Just believe in yourself, trust yourself, have that determination. Also, another good thing in life you always consider whenever you're venturing into anything, be it business, be it work, be it anything at all, the ability to be consistency is the key. Okay, consistency is the key. If you are into a business and you think that this year this business is not favoring me, I'm not really selling the way I should sell, that doesn't make you to be reluctant about that business. No, you have to keep pushing it. Because the grace, though everybody's grace is not the same, okay, but in as much as you are doing a business and you are consistent, and anytime someone needs that thing and they know that, okay, you keep you ring bell in their ears or in their mind, I was, okay, this person is doing so thing, let's go and patronize the person. Not when they will come, you're no more doing that field of business you are known to. So you have to be consistent. Consistency is the key. Never give up, never be discouraged, determination, and also believe in yourself, trust yourself, and also trust God. Okay, and also know that there is nothing that is impossible. Trust me, it's just your mindset. If you set your mindset right, trust me, things will start moving even perfectly, more than the way you expected it to move. Okay, that is why you need to set out a goal for yourself. Okay, set out a goal for yourself, and then put your mind there. Tell yourself, I can achieve this, I can do this. You defeat your fear. Try as much as you can to defeat your fears. Trust me, when you are able to defeat your fear, keep on shining, you keep on going, you keep on moving, you keep on prospering. You will even be asking yourself, how did it start? How did it happen? How did it start? But trust me, when you set your mindset right, about whatsoever you're doing, you are going to make things so well throughout that field or throughout that business. Okay, and please, another thing I want to say in this video is, try not to be negative. Okay, try not to be negative about whatsoever you're doing. Try not to be negative about yourself. Try to take away negative thoughts on your business or whatsoever that is giving you income, because anything you think, anything you are doing and you're not using your mind, you're not really giving your all in that aspect or in that business or in that thing, trust me, it's always come out in the negative side of it. But if you're always positive about our business, you are positive, I know my business is going to get to this level, I know my business is going to flourish, I know I'm going to achieve this, I'm setting out this goal for my business and I'm going to achieve it. Even if you're setting out a goal, 100% goal for your business, and you are able to achieve 80 or 85% of that goal within before the year runs out, trust me, you are still on the winning level. Okay, so don't ever put a negative thought in yourself, in your business, in whatsoever you are doing. Okay, try to believe, trust yourself, believe that there is nothing you cannot do. Okay, that is one thing that I love about myself. I can do anything. I literally can do anything. Like anything you call me, I can do anything. Okay, even if I don't know how to do it, I'll tell myself, I don't know people doing it, then that will even ginger me to do it. Okay, and when you see me coming out of it, you'll be like, wow, when did you do this? How did you come up? That is the spirit. You need to tell yourself you can do something. Even if you don't know how to do it, try your best. Try your best. Okay, try your best, and trust me, your best might take you to a higher level and connect you to people that may even give you more clue about what you really want to achieve. Okay, so this is the thing that you guys need to do. And another thing I will also want to say in this video is, please and please and please, if you know you want to be successful, if you know you want to be prosperous, if you know you have set out a goal for yourself and you want to achieve those goals that you have set out for yourself, try not to be procrastinating. Try to remove and ban and cast every spirit of procrastination. Procrastination can cause you a whole lot of harms in your visions, in your expectation, in your dreams. Procrastination can drag you from 100 level to 0 level. I'm just being realistic with you guys. Okay, so every spirit, you know that you are this kind of person, or you're in this category that you always want to, or you always like to procrastinate whenever you set out something for yourself, because this is a new year, or we just started this year, and you'll be like, oh, it's just January, don't worry, February is coming. Even if we didn't start this January, we can start February. Even if we didn't start February, March is there. Okay, so you keep procrastinating. So when you keep procrastinating, time is money. Time should be precious to you. Okay, your time should be precious to you, especially when you have set out a goal for yourself. If you have set out a goal for your business, if you have set out a goal for your finances, if you have set out a goal and you have a plan for your 2023, then you have to sit up. You have to tell yourself, even when that spirit of procrastination comes, you say, no, I can do this, I have to do this now. You have to stop onto your feet and do something. Okay, stop procrastinating. Procrastinating can keep you stagnant. Procrastinating can make you not to move forward. Procrastinating can make you not to even achieve your dream. It can make you not to achieve your goals that you have set out for yourself. So that is the main reason you need to stop every spirit of procrastination. Stop it in this 2023. This is a new year. This is not 2022. So you have to stop it. Okay, and sit back, relax your mind, relax your brain, and re-strategize. Okay, yes, you guys need to sit back. Like when you sit back, you relax your mind, relax your brain, and re-strategize on a way forward to whatsoever you're doing. Okay, think of those things that you didn't do right year 2022, and this is a new year 2023, and tell yourself, I really need to do better, and work towards it. Be determined, focus. Okay, be determined, be focused, be consistent. Trust me, you will come back and thank me on this word. Trust me, as we are just starting this year 2023, try to do something useful, no matter how small. Okay, I see a lot of people who will say, I want to start up a business, but I don't have finances to start up. because you think that starting a business is all about investing millions into business. Yes, I know the fact that business that starts with millions cannot be comparable with business start with thousands, okay? But in as much as that, what I will always advise people, what I will always tell people is that it's even better. I know people will come for me on this, but this is the truth, okay? It's better you start small and then achieve big than starting big, then end result comes out small. It doesn't make sense. Trust me on this. Why I say this, the reason why I say this is that often time the business you start with big money, you might not know if you are making progress. You might not know if you are making profits or not. But when you start a business in a little or no capital, you see yourself getting, as you are making progress, you are saying it. As you are making progress, you are saying it. As you are making progress, you are saying it. You see yourself growing and growing and growing, gradual process, and you see yourself being large. And that kind of business can never fall. That is the truth. You guys don't know. Okay? Any business you started small, or any business you use little income to start, okay, always come out very, 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 very successful, very, 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 very productive. Trust me in this. Yes, it come as productive if only you know what you're doing, if only you can be consistent, if only you can be focused, if only you can be determined, and also remove spirit of procrastination. You will get you will achieve all that you have planned, your dreams and everything. You will come out, you will achieve it in no time. You don't start a big business or a big company in a day. It's not a day job. It's a gradual process. It's a gradual process, okay? You need to follow those process and then achieve big, okay? So you see all those people, all those big people out there, if you go down to how they started, you will know that they started with very, very small or little incomes, and you see them prospering, okay? So if you know you love anything you love, try to develop yourself. Try to add value to yourself. Don't just be that kind of person that will just relax and be waiting for somebody that will dash you 2K. That means you don't have any goal for yourself. You don't have any dream for yourself. You don't just sit. See, internet is so big. People are making it big in internet. Okay, people are making it big in this social media. So you need to start up something. Even without money, you can start up something on social media and you still be making profits. If you want that video, I will still come here and tell you guys how I started with zero income. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you guys, okay, I'm a living witness to this. This is a social media, and a social media is where you can easily start a business without any money. Drop shipping, okay? Drop shipping is a business where you start even without any income, and you will be making profits. So if don't tell yourself you can't do anything because you don't have money to start something, that is spirit of procrastination. That you are just making yourself look as if you can't do anything. Start up something. Social media is there. People are making millions and billions of money on this online business. So what is stopping you? What is stopping you? What is stopping you? Stand up and do something. Do something useful to your life, with your life. Do something meaningful with your life. If you like trading, if you like any handwork, go and learn. Go and learn the handwork. Start it. You can start it online. You can start small, and with time you see yourself growing. Okay, anything you like doing, if you know you can't produce something, you see somebody producing the thing and you still want to drop ship the person's product or anything, or you can crack wholesale with the person and start doing something. You see yourself, when you start something, the main thing is for you to start. That is the most difficult part of it. When you defeat your fears and start up and say, I'm going to do this, I'm going to venture into this, and trust me, the way you are going to escape through on that area, you won't even understand. You'll be like, what happened? It's going to be like a miracle to you. it's going to be like a miracle to you. That is the main reason why you need to start up this year 2022. This is January. This is the beginning of the year. So think of what you do. Think of what you want to do. Think of things you want to do. Think of things you want to venture into. And trust me, when you start, no matter how little, you can start a business, and you're going to see that everything is going to work to favor you. Everything is going to be perfect. God will perfect everything concerning your business, your finances. God will give you creative ideas. God will give you ideas to strategize on your business or anything you want to go into. Okay, so guys, I'm here today to wish you all a happy, prosperous new year. Okay, and I know that God is going to go before us this year and perfect every of our plans, everything that we have set out for ourselves, every goal that we have set out for ourselves. It will be perfect. God will perfect each and every one of them in this year 2023. So guys, I love you guys, and see you guys next in my next amazing video. Love you.